Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're going to discuss the single most profitable day trading money-making opportunities you can have in the market today, and it's based on one of my two gap trading strategies that I teach in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. The first one is based on the morning gap trades. The second one is based on gap fill strategies. That's what we're going to talk about today. Each and every day, I look for anywhere from 3 to 5 gap fill opportunities in the market. There are literally dozens of them all over the place. I look for 3 to 5 a day along with all the other things that I trade. And what we're going to discuss today is 3 specific stocks which were very profitable, and actually of the 3, 2 I'm still in the trade. The first one we're looking at is Delta Airlines. Those of you that have been watching my videos for a while know that I like to get my cue off the 60-minute chart. Here's a 60-minute of Delta Airlines. DAL is the symbol. And as you can see, on Friday, the high was a price of $43.10. That would be our gap level that we're looking for the stock to come in and fill, based on the fact that today the stock opened above that level and began to trade back down to the gap. That's an opportunity right in front of our face first thing in the morning. So let's go over to the 10-minute chart so we can get a closer look at exactly what happened. So our gap level was at $43.10. The stock this morning on the third 10-minute candle of the day, so a half hour, a little less than a half hour into the trading day, made a low of $43.09. After that low by 1 penny, the stock took off to the upside. Here's an example of where I've already booked a profit and I'm still in this stock with a risk-free trade. That's one of the strategies that I teach in my course on how to do that, where you can have an emotionless, risk-free trade while trading my gap strategy, my gap fill strategy, that is. Right now, as I'm making this video, the stock is more than $1 higher than the entry price, and I've still got half the position left. It's a tremendous, tremendous day trading strategy. Let's look at the second stock today, which was Garmin. GRMN is the symbol. We're looking at the 10-minute chart, and this was a short play. Here's an example of you played both sides of the market. The stock market's up today. I have long trades and I have short trades. It doesn't matter what the market is doing. This strategy applies to the individual equity that you're looking at based on the probabilities that it's going to fill a gap and react off that price level. That's exactly what happened in Garmin today. Garmin traded higher, and what it was doing was it was filling a gap from a different time frame. Here's the daily chart, and you can see the red line running across the chart at 35.93 from the 6th of January. That was the gap level left open from the 6th of January. Let's go back to the 10-minute chart, and as you can see, today, in the first few minutes of trading, in fact, we could even go to a shorter time frame. Watch this. Let's go to a 5-minute chart, and you can see just in the first couple of minutes trading, the stock went right up, rushed through that line, reversed back down, and just in less than 10 minutes, the stock hit a low of $34.92 for $1 profit in less than 10 minutes of the trading day. Another tremendous trading opportunity. In my course, I teach precisely how to do this strategy. I teach another strategy and this strategy. Both are very profitable. You need to come over to LazyGapTrader.com and learn how to do this for yourself. It's a license to print money in the markets each and every day. Let's look at the third stock, which was Philip Morris. PM is the symbol. Let's go back to the 60-minute time frame on this one, and I'm going to show you how there's 2 lines on the chart. There's a red line and a green line. The red line was from a trade I had just in the last trading day, which was Friday. Today, I'm making this video on Tuesday, February 16th. So the last day the market was open, we had another trade on the short side of Philip Morris. Today, we have a trade on the long side of Philip Morris. So right here, the stock left an open gap from the 60-minute chart of the closing hour of the day on Friday, just the last trading day. Today, the stock opened higher, came right back down to fill that gap, pierced through it, went to the 20-period moving average, all within our risk tolerance, within our specified stop-loss order. And in my course, I teach you exactly how much leeway to give a stock. This was within the parameters, and then the stock reversed higher. And just to give you a close-up look, let's look at the 10-minute chart. And as you can see, here's an engulfing candle. The stock reversed higher and is still going higher. So from an entry price at $89.05 early this morning, we hit a high today already over $90, $90.05. We're hovering around $89.94 as I make this video now. So that's roughly another dollar gain. I've already booked a profit in this stock, and I have some of the position left over in emotionless trade. It's a risk-free trade at that point. I've already booked some profits. This is the single best day trading strategy you can find. LazyGapTrader.com. Come over, take the course, learn how to do this for yourself each and every day. Thanks for tuning in, folks. I'm David Frost.